We're going to show you how to feed Audrey in a different way. This is called push feeding, and it's going to be a lot faster. And feeding her will take 10 minutes versus 30 minutes. So she's already hooked up with her tube like she would normally be to her stomach. And the milk is going to, or the formula is going to come in these small bottles. In the bag, there's going to be a paper or a card that says what you're pushing into her. So you're doing 2 rounds of 45 milliliters, which I'll show you. So first thing, as usual, you're going to flush with water, and that's in the little one. So this is not different. And then you're going to use, we have giant syringes that go up to 60 milliliters, and you're just going to pull out 45 to start. And I would go a little bit past 45, and I'll show you why in a minute. So I went past 45 because a giant bubble forms at the top. So I just kind of hold the napkin here, just a little drippy, and then I can push out that bubble a little bit. So about there. And so now I'm just about at 45. If it's not exactly the right number, it's not a big deal. So then I use the napkin because it's a little drippier. But you're going to open up the bigger valve, the one that we don't normally use. So I'm going to open up the big valve, put in the big syringe, and then open up the white clamp as usual. And then slowly, slower than the water, you're going to push in all 45 milliliters. Are you eating that crayon?
No.
I noticed that you have a napkin out. This is a little drippy sometimes?
Yeah, it's a little drippy, so this just catches the formula so it doesn't fall on the ground. So if you take, like, for 45 milliliters, like 30 seconds or 20 seconds to push it in, that's nice and slow. Okay, and same as usual, before you pull the syringe out, make sure you clamp the white clamp. And then I can take the syringe out, and this is where the napkin's good because it gets drippy right there. Now you can wait 5 minutes. She's free to run around. You could like tuck this in her waist so it's not hanging. And I'm going to get the next 45 ready.
And it's okay if it's a little bit longer than 5 minutes.
Yeah. There'll be extra milk in the bottle or formula. That's fine. You can either toss it or send it home with us. It's okay. And there's no bubbles in this one, so I don't need to push anything out. So then I can just put this aside, wait till the time is up, 5-ish minutes, and then same thing, open up the big valve and push this through. And then at the end, when it's all done, you still flush with water, and that's it. And so if you have any questions for Tuesday, definitely give us a call, and we'll be curious to know if you prefer this method versus the pump for the future.
Bye.